Hello, hello, hello. It's Al's coming to you from, well, not the corner. I'm in the troll. Yep, that's right, I'm in the troll wagon. See, this is the troll wagon. The troll wagon is, well, it's my traveling car. I'm getting a bigger traveling car. Can't take the hot rod. So, we are on our way. I'm waiting for the Amy. See, her seat is empty. I am waiting for the Amy, and we are going to head out from here. We're going to head to St. George. It's about an hour and 45 minutes or so from here to St. George. That's about the Utah border. And we are going to stop there. We've got some things to do in St. George. And then once we're done in St. George, we are going to go ahead and head up towards Provo. So we are at the Tuesday morning in St. George, Utah, guys. That's right. We're on our way to see the Curly T. And we have stopped here to take a look. Look at how nice and organized it is, right? It's so organized compared to what we usually see. So check it out. They got some really cool fabrics. These are really pretty. It's called My Secret Garden from Benartex. 5 fabric quarters in there for $5.99. Not a bad deal. They do have some squares and things like that, and they've got some strips up there at the top. Look at that. Winnie the Pooh crochet characters. How cool is that, right? So let's see what we got going over here. So, we found some of these Bo Bunny pieces for the Wonderland. So we grabbed those because, you know, we run out of those real quick. And I found one whole pad. This is a Yuletide from Bo Bunny. This is the 12 by 12 pad. Lots of Christmassy paper in there. Right. So we got that. And then we found 2 of the ephemera packs that go with it for $2.99. So we grabbed those. Not sure if we're going to keep them or not, but we grabbed them. And then I found this Bo Bunny pad called Butterfly Kisses Collection. And I noticed it's got some pieces. I have a 6x6 of this. And it does have some pieces from some of the other collections. I kind of like that one. I think I'm going to do that one. That'll drive the Amy crazy. DCWV 180 sheets on the go. This is 8.5 by 11 for $6.99. Lots of maps and stuff in this one. Thought it was kind of cool. I'm going to give it to the Amy. Let her take a peruse and see if she thinks it's worth $7. Okay, so here we are. We're in the Savers. That's right. We're at the Savers in Orem. And there the girls are. Yes, that's the Amy and the Curly. And look what they're looking at. Turn the other way so your face isn't in my picture. I don't care. Put your face in my picture. Give each other a big old hug. Slurp for Laura. There you go, honey. One for you. So they found these books. They're Japanese language books. They're going crazy. Look, there's the bags. See the bags? There's like no bags on this end. And all the bags down there, there's not a lot there. Oh, wait a minute. Did I miss a set of Stamping Up Alpha stamps? It can't be. Oh my God, I did. That's a set of Stampin' Up Alpha stamps. Oh. Nope, not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Nope, I'm gonna behave myself. It's a Joann's. And a Tuesday morning. And look, there's the Curly and the Amy. Oh, we're going into the Tuesday morning. Here we go. I'll see you guys inside. No, I gotta put it on YouTube. Here we go. Look, they got all this stuff. Montmartre Iridescent Varnish. $5. Kind of a bit pricey. Vicky Bouton Powdered Pigment Set for $6.99. Not too shabby. Let's see. What else? What else have we got? Let's go around the other side. Right. Whole bunch of dies. Lots of Jane Davenport stuff. Okay, now there's people in the aisle, so we're going to behave ourselves. All right, so Mombi pads. They got Mombi pads, right? $4.99 for a Mombi pad. Seems to be a thing. They got a lot of Mombi pads. Okay. Look at that. $2.99 for Unicorn Stars. On the inside, it's like, yeah, space. All right, so they do have the travel pad. We saw that yesterday. More Mombis. Not a lot of 6x6 pads here. Cards. Glitter. Look, there's glitter. Right? No. Washi tape. Nothing different. And not a whole lot of, like, chipboards and stuff. What do we got here? Washi Mermaids. Files de Washi. Okay, no idea. We'll take a look at those. Let's take a look. So it's just paper. You just cut it with paper, with your dies and stuff. Okay. So it's just some mermaids. You cut them down using your dies. Alright. Let's put that in the front so people will actually look at it.
Okay, so there was so much stuff. I'm still going through stuff. And good God, watch Amy's haul, because she got, girl went crazy, okay? Like, lost her mind. I am never giving her that much B12 again. She forgot her B12 and she took one of mine, and it's like 10 times more powerful than hers. And she was just happy and giddy and really full of energy. And so she's feeling much better now. She was looking forward to going and seeing the Curly, so we went to see the Curly. So let me show you guys some of the things that I didn't already show you in the video that we got on our haul. Okay, so let's start with what I got at the thrift store with Curly. So the first thrift store we went to, I did find some stuff in the bags. I found a whole bunch of these ribbons, and I'm going to sell them because I couldn't possibly use all this ribbon. But there's a lot of fall colors here, a lot of pink and brown stuff, but a lot of fall colors. Look at these. These are so stinking cute. Look at that. Right? I know, the glare is horrible. I'm so sorry. Here we go. There, see? You can see that. That's gorgeous, right? So I got a whole bunch of these ribbons. I'm going to sell them. I got a couple of packs of the stamp marker from American Crafts. And they're just, you know, they're brush tip on one side and they're like a medium point on the other. And you just brush these onto a stamp and then you can stamp the stamp. Yeah, I know, right? Like, why? Another thing I found were these punches. I got some punches, a corner rounder and this decorative corner rounder. These are great. They're like 3 inches deep. They're literally like, yeah, they're like 3.5 inches deep. Okay, so I grabbed those. They punch really nice. I found these. They were packaged separate, but I'm probably going to do it as one because 3 pages I don't think is enough, but 6 pages makes an awfully cool, you know, little scrapbook thing. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but got that. Hey, stay. I picked up this Asian language book at the thrift store, and the Amy is going to tea dye this for me. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. Because I don't sell dyed paper, but maybe putting this into one of my craft kits that I make. So probably going to be putting that in there. And what else did I find at the thrift store? I think that was pretty much it at the thrift store. Then we went to Tuesday morning. And at Tuesday morning, I got a couple of things. One was some charms. These are little crosses that I got, and I thought these would be adorable for not just my rosaries, but also for my angel bookmarks, the ribbon angel bookmarks that I do. And I thought these crosses would be adorable for those kits. So I got some crosses to go in those kits. and I got some stamps. I got this one, which is Mother Nature from Crafter's Companion. This thing is almost 6 inches tall, and it's over 4 inches wide. And somebody had asked me if I had seen this, and I had not. But I saw a copy of it there in Utah, so I grabbed that. So if you're the person that was looking for this, please get in touch. I then bought this, which is from Hampton Art, and this is a stamp and die set. You know, have a haunted Halloween, open if you dare. It was the sugar skulls. I loved the sugar skulls, so I grabbed the sugar skulls. I got the die for it. Fantastic. Love those. And that was like what I got at the Tuesday morning, and you know, some glasses, and I got a paper pad, I think. And then Curly had told us about this store where her son works, and we stopped by there before we left out of Utah. And one of the things that I found there, they like get pallets of stuff, and they resell the stuff that's on the pallets. And so I have this project that I'm working on for Christmas, for the Christmas season, for kids. And so I found this like whole case of this stuff. So I grabbed it because I thought it was perfect. And what these are packs of colored pencils. Now, I could just go get crayons, but I was like, no, colored pencils are better. There's 6 of them in here, and it comes in brown and red and yellow and blue and green and black. And I thought that is much cooler. So I grabbed the colored pencils instead. And they're natural wood. They're really cute. The little box is adorable. You know, it's plain, but you could dress it up with like some stickers or something to match. So I thought that would work. And I got a whole case of those. Pretty inexpensive, so I grabbed that. I had a case of something else, but the Amy wanted it, so I let her have it. Another thing that I found were, this was all wrapped up in plastic, and I opened it when I got home, and I was like, please let it be cool. And so it was bookmarks. It's a few copies of each of 4 bookmarks, and I thought, you know, these are stinking adorable. A book is magic you can take anywhere. Books are the best kind of magic. Discover the magic of a good book and under the spell of a good book. And I thought, you know, if somebody was making like a Harry Potter journal, or they were giving a set of Harry Potter books for Christmas or something, this would be like stinking adorable to put in there. So I grabbed those. Probably going to do them, you know, one of each in a set and sell them by the sets. So, you know, we'll see. And let's see, what else did I find? Oh, yeah, I stopped at a little thrift store in St. George on my way up, and I found these little books. They're like passports for the national park. This one is for Zion, and this one is for Bryce Canyon. And they're literally like little passports, and I thought, how cute would these be as a little journal? So I grabbed some of those. And when I got home, I had some stuff waiting for me. One, a few months back, about 4 months back actually, I had talked to my distributor. They said that they were going to be starting to carry metal pieces. So I talked to my distributor and I said, you know, hey, can, you know, you let me know what you're going to be having? So he sent me this big old bag of metal pieces of all the different types of metal things that they're going to be having. And so I have to go through this and take a look at it to see what I'm going to be ordering to put in the shop. But there's about 30 pieces or so in here. So I'm going to see if any of these are anything that I think you guys would be interested in. And I also had these tags that I had done. I had some tags that I wanted cut that I could get into the shop that were a good size. And these are about 3.5 inches by about 1 3/4 inches. So I thought they're a decent sized tag. So I ordered these just so I could get them into the shop. So I ordered those. And I think that's kind of it. Oh, yeah. And I got some new fun furs because, you guys love this stuff. I love working with it. It's stinking adorable. I'm going to be putting it on cards and selling it, as a set like I usually do. So we'll have those in the shop. And there's just so much more that I haven't even gone through yet, guys. But the important part is that we went to visit our friend Curly, and we had a fantastic time out with her. Uh, she is recovering still from, some pretty major surgery. So we didn't want to stress her out too much. But listen up, girl, we're coming back. As soon as you're well and you're feeling like, your grumpy old self, we are coming back and we are going to just go crazy. You are going to be in charge, and you point, I drive, and we're going to go. Um, and we are going to hit every thrift store and every Tuesday morning and every craft store, and I don't care if it's a yard sale. We're going to hit it, okay? And we are going to get stuff together. I had a fantastic time. I know that the hag had a fantastic time. She has not smiled so much in 2 months. So I am very happy that she had a fantastic time visiting with you. I had a fantastic time, and I was very honored that you allowed us into your home and welcomed us so wonderfully. Um, it was definitely the high point of my trip, and I appreciate um, all of the friendship that you showed to us as we scaventured through your town. Um, so thank you again. And until I see the rest of you, do me a favor, if you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all of your friends, because I am taking the hags and we are scaventuring across America with all of our friends. Bye-bye, guys.